Hello guys, welcome to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use the live voice chat on TikTok. Firstly, you need to be eligible before you can use this feature, which is you need at least 1000 followers and be 18 years old plus to go live. Now we'll start by clicking on the plus sign button below your screen. And you click on live, and this is where the title is. You have to add a title, which is what you actually want to do on the live. So you will be using fitness and sport as our title, and add a live goal. This life goal means the gift you want to earn on life, so you have to add a gift goal. We have rows already, so we just customize. I need 10 roses on life, so I have written it already, and click on confirm, and this is how it's going to be saved. Now you can go live. Click on go live. So that is how it actually looks like. If this guide is helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye.